simulation, we have traded two futures contracts which are FCPO and FKLI. For the FCPO crude palm oil futures, there is derivative contract traded on Bursa Malaysia that allows buyer and seller to take and deliver crude palm oil at the future date. It is a physical settle contract, which means that upon the contract expiration, the buyer and seller must take and deliver the physical CPO. The CPO deliverable unit per FCPO contract is 25 metric tons plus or minus 2%. We choose to trade in FCPO since it offers more benefit, in which FCPO helps us to speculate in price movement as a trader, since we can utilize FCPO to obtain leverage exposure to CPO price changes. Not only that, trading in FCPO also enables traders to take on higher risk investment with higher promised profit. Thus, FCPO can be used to manage price risk and hedge against the possibility of adverse price movement in the physical market for FCPO. FKLI is a future product denominated in Malaysia Ringgit that is based on the FTSE Bursa Malaysia Kuala Lumpur Composite Index FBMKLCI. It is traded on Bursa Malaysia Derivative Exchange and allow market participants to have exposure to the underlying FBMKLCI component. The contract size of FKLI is FBMKLCI multiplied by RM50 ringgit. Trading in FKLI allows us to short sell, allow us to take advantage of unfavorable market situation by short selling down contract and increase volatility trading. We also trade FKLI to acquire leverage exposure to the underlying FBMKLCI index price volatility. The FKLI is an efficient approach to acquire fast exposure to the Malaysian stock markets because it requires only trading one contract, eliminating the need for several transactions. People may have their own preferences in terms of the method they use to predict future price movement. In our trading, we have used various tools such as technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and expert opinion. Technical analysis is a method used in trading that involves studying past data and chart to identify trends and patterns in prices. So the technical indicators that has been used are moving average, relative strength index RSI, moving average convergence divergence MACD, stochastic, Nasuha TKST, and Rikinorhakis, and trend lines such as gap, breakout, and reversal are also employed in technical analysis. In addition, we also incorporate fundamental analysis as it provides a thorough understanding of the circumstances surrounding future trading as it helps determine the optimal times to buy and sell. We gather most of our research from reputable sources such as The Star and The Edge, and the last one is expert opinion. We rely on expert opinion from Free Malaysia Today to guide our decision making in future trading. We carefully analyze their content and consider professional viewpoint to ensure we make informed decisions.
The future prices of financial instruments and commodities like FKLI and FCPO are determined by a mix of factors, including the strategies employed such as technical and fundamental analysis as well as expert opinions. The first factor is technical analysis. We have included various technical analysis tools such as moving averages, RSI, MACD, stochastic, KST, and Rikinorhakis. We also use trend lines like gap trading, breakout, and reversal. To give an example, moving average convergence divergence or MACD must lines which the MACD line is the blue one and the signal line is red. When the MACD line crosses over the signal line, it indicates a chance to buy, while crossing below the signal line suggests an opportunity to sell. In my situation, I choose to buy FCPO February 2024 after observing the MACD line was higher than the signal line, which is buy signal. This choice proved to be highly profitable, validating the reliability of this signal. For the fundamental analysis, we rely on the Star and the Edge to fully understand a business before making investment decision. This is important to completely assess all the relevant factors before using this approach. For example, we have read an article in the Stars News on 10 November 2023 entitled FCPO Futures Expected to Trade Range Bound Next Week. It has reported that CPO prices has expected to recover and exceed 4,000 ringgit per ton in 2024. According to experts in the palm oil industry, this indicates a strong upward trend in the market, prompting us to make a buy signal after evaluating the information provided. Lastly, in our search for expert opinions, we examined an article from Free Malaysia Today published on the 30th of November 2023 that discussing the Bursa's recovery through bargain hunting that made by an analyst. The article predicts a slight upward trend for the FBMKLCI with the index expected to stay around 1,450 to 1,460 before the weekend. The analysis believes the local stock market will continue to attract investors due to its comparatively lower value compared to other markets in the region. While the trading session began with a decline in the benchmark index, it fluctuated throughout the session. After conducting extensive research and reading news articles, we decided to take a short position in the market.
Based on our overall trading performance, we have done 30 trades and managed to gain profit for 41,625 ringgit Malaysia. The longest holding period for the trade is 28 days and we gained 2,025 ringgit of profits. We have started to open position for FCPO February on 17th of November and our last trading was for FKLI January, which we closed the position on 14th of December 2023. Out of 30 trades that we have done, the most profitable contract is FCPO February 2024, which we trade on 7th of November 2023. We traded for the long position and from that we managed to gain profit for 3,000. Next, we gained profit for 2,725 ringgit when we traded for long position on FCPO March 2024. The next profit that we gained is amount 2,575 ringgit where we traded for short position on FCPO February 2024. Furthermore, we traded for short position on FCPO February 2024 again with the use of indicators, no shorting and MA50. For this trade, we managed to get 2,225 ringgit of profits. Last but not least, after reading the news on The Star, which says that CPO prices set to recover, we decided to trade for long position on FCPO February 2024. As we believe the price will increase, yet we managed to gain 2,200 profits. While we have the highest profits, we also gain loss and obtain some lower profits. On 20th of November 2023, we have read some news at The Star saying that the FBM KLC are expected to climb to 1,480 level, so we decided to trade for long position. Unfortunately, the price was decreased and we lost for 475 ringgit. Not only that, on 21st of November, after we read the news from The Age Malaysia, we predict that price will decrease, so we traded for short position on FKLI December 2023. From that, we gained profits for only 550 ringgit. All in all, we were able to obtain 5 of the best trades and 5 of the worst trades from the futures trading simulation game after completing the trading in the Bursa marketplace game.
To become a successful trader, it is necessary to identify our trading method strengths and weaknesses and develop a strategy accordingly. Regarding our strengths, this is assess the ability to make informed decisions by analyzing market situations and utilizing indicator tools. The applications of technicals and fundamental analysis is an effective trading strategy that we utilize to make educated decisions. Primarily focus on conducting extensive research and analyzing the news article from The Star and The Age Malaysia to find potential indicators and most recent development in the CPO markets. This fundamental analysis offers vital insight into the overall condition of the market. In addition, we have chosen to employ technical analysis while utilizing a range of indicator tools, including moving average, 50 days simple moving average, stochastic Heiken-Ashi and relative strength index RSI. Equally important, technical analysis is crucial since it enables us to predict price fluctuations by analyzing past data, particularly price and volume, in making well-informed decisions. As for weaknesses, we permit our emotions to impact our trading choice. As a result of unpredictable market, the rapid fluctuations in prices influence our emotion, such as fears may be triggered, causing our decisions to become unclear and resulting in impulsive and irritations actions. As a consequence, this leads to change from our intended trading strategy, resulting in the early selling of our future CPO and FKLI or impact the assumptions of greater risk. In brief, as a new trader in this field, we are very satisfied with our trading outcomes. We have devised a well-planned strategy that outlines the specific method for entering and exiting trades. Apart from this, we consistently maintain motivation by setting clear and practical goals, which enable us to be disciplined and focused even amid volatile market conditions. Overall, we have made an excellent start by accurately assessing our risk tolerance and investing accordingly. On the whole, throughout these future trading games, we have gained golden opportunity and insightful trading experience. These trading games serve as a valuable tool for acquiring knowledge about trading and investing while mitigating the risk of losing our real money. While participating in this trading game, we also realize that emotions can have a significant effect on individual decisions to purchase and sell futures.